the German company is preparing for the premiere of the first production M5 station wagon in a long time. Based on the available information, we have envisioned what it will look like. The M5 model dates back to 1984, when a sports sedan based on the 5 Series in the E28 body was introduced. Today, the 6th generation of the M car is already in production, but in only 2 of them could the car be purchased as a station wagon. These were the models with factory indexes, E34, produced from 1992 to 1995, and E61, 2007 to 2010. The upcoming station wagon, based on the latest Generation 5 series which premiered a year ago, will be the 3rd in history. Thanks to spy photographs, our friends at Kolesa have the opportunity to get an idea of its appearance. One of the main distinguishing features of passenger cars is the extended wheel arches. In the new generation M5, not only the front arches, as in the current generation, but also the rear arches will become such. The car will receive a new radiator grille with horizontal bars. Judging by the sketch published on the internet, its edging, at least in one of the options, will be made in matte silver. The bumper is interesting with a large trapezoidal air intake and vertical crossbars in the center, as well as narrow vertical air ducts along the edges. The wings may do without any decorative inserts, like most of the company's other M models. Instead, they will have vertical stampings similar to the latest generation M2 coupe. At the rear, the M5 will be easily identified by its massive bumper with a pair of contrasting inserts into which a diffuser and 4 round exhaust pipes will be built. It is expected that the new M5 will be equipped with a hybrid power plant, which will include an 8-cylinder 4.4-liter turbo engine paired with 1 electric motor. The total power can exceed 700 horsepower, getting closer to the parameters of the flagship BMW XM crossover in label red with a similar installation. It has 748 horsepower and 1,000 Newton meters of torque. The premiere of the new model may take place during this year.